In the digital age, traditional banks and insurers face increasing pressure to transform in an attempt to maintain and improve their position and increase profitability. New technologies and digital interactions are changing customers' demands and expectations, even more now with digital natives entering and disrupting the marketplace. Regulations and compliancy place pressure on financial services operations and their ability to change and innovate. Attracting and retaining digital expertise and talent is becoming progressively difficult in a competitive market. Value chains are being broken. Fintechs and big techs come in on the profitable parts of the business. Cybercrime is real. Reputations can be destroyed by a single attack. With major issues burdening the sector, many banks and insurers are rapidly deploying innovative digital technologies with the hope of finding instant returns and success. Yet, some 70 to 80% of financial services companies are failing to see the added value from their digital transformation projects. Potentially billions of dollars may be spent on digital technology, to be rejected by employees and customers. It's only a matter of time before this lack of return has catastrophic consequences, with challenger organizations rapidly gaining market share and acquiring leading talent. Effective digital transformation is not just based on technology. It's about changing culture, changing operating models, and bringing together multiple perspectives fast. Financial services organizations need to develop new agile ways of working, create a truly digital corporate culture, drive business innovation through experimentation, adopt innovative technology that will allow them to react quickly to changes in customer demands and market conditions. Fujitsu help financial services companies excel at this, providing future-proof financial solutions and services to simplify customers' daily lives and meet their growing digital finance needs. An agile infrastructure to enable development and deployment of new customer-focused products and services, all delivered at speed. Intelligent business automation solutions, increasing business efficiency and lowering costs. Connected financial services, joining the dots to create a real-time customer 360-degree view. That's what we call Agile Financial Services. Are you ready for an agile future?